Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for November 8th, 2024. In this video, we'll do a quick intraday analysis, what to expect going forward, and end with a performance check. Let's dive in. It is 10:50 and the SPX is trading higher, up 0.3% to 59.92. The trend is up, but clearly losing some steam today. A lot of mixed signals here, and we're essentially at the upper bound, more or less. 59.93, upper bound 6,000. That is our call wall and absolute gamma strike. Above that sits the implied high today at 6,015. On the downside, what was once resistance becomes support. So support now at 59.80, 59.75. You also have ES 6,000 in here as well, which is about 59.70 SPX equivalent. Below that support zone opens the door to 59.50 and the put wall at 59.45. In terms of those mixed signals, we can see ADD plus 700, growth technically underperforming today, MEGs mostly red. It's really only Tesla green, up about 6.3%, which is keeping the MEGs ETF positive, up 0.3, but this is most certainly capping upside today. Now, a positive variable is vol contraction, VIX down 2.4%, down about 35-37% from the recent peak, as we've seen that event volatility come out of the market, which is obviously supportive for the upside. So absent a spike in the VIX, those dips should continue to get bought, and the market well supported, well, into 6,000 here. How much do we see beyond that? Time will tell, but, generally above the call wall, we consider the market overbought from an options positioning perspective. For those that are not familiar with the Gamma framework, let's go over some definitions. The call wall is a point of strong resistance where sellers enter the market. This is the strike with the highest net positive gamma, which is often regarded as our upper bound. The absolute gamma strike is the strike with the largest total gamma, which often acts as a magnet for price, particularly around monthly option expiration. The significance of these two strikes are clear if we look at the gamma charts. SPX notional gamma, you can see the significance of 6,000 as that upper bound. Absolute gamma, 6,000 as well. Not only large here in terms of positive gamma, but there's quite a bit of negative gamma tied to that as well, making it the strike with the highest total gamma. Now, what can we expect going forward? The gamma index, which measures dealer gamma, is materially positive, about 1 billion notional, trading above our transition of 58.35, right around here. Now, we are going to see quite a bit of options get removed today, so this profile could change come Monday, meaning our flip could shift higher, as well as we could see that call wall shift higher, and that's really what we're looking for as an indication for more upside. In terms of downside cues, the break of the flip is our risk-off indication, as well as a spike in volatility is generally viewed as a risk-off indication. However, next week is option expiration. It is a call-weighted cycle. So absent a catalyst, the market should remain well supported. And upside is most likely going to manifest in a positive drift opposed to a sharp upside squeeze, as we've seen here this week. Just to give you a different visual regarding option expiration, so each vertical line here marks monthly OpEx. Positive gamma is a call-weighted cycle. And as you can see, the market typically holds up quite well into option expiration. Now, that's not the case all the time, but this is the most common pattern. And then it's post-option expiration where the market is more prone to weakness. So generally, we see some choppy action, some weakness following OpEx. If the market does follow the typical pattern, we should see, the market hold up well next week. I am ending the week green, up $3,235, 9 trades, 7 winners, 2 losers. Trading primarily long calls to the upside. Pretty consistent here in terms of the returns, around 80% ROI. I did have a couple losers here, and go figure, they were counter trend trades. Now, obviously, I knew they were counter trend trades, hence I was managing them more tactically, so sizing small or being quick to exit. So 2 small losses here, but overall a decent week. If you'd like to learn 3 option strategies that our traders use to generate consistent profits with 0DTE options, along with a repeatable process on how to trade these strategies effectively, join the team at 0DTEtraders.com.